Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing my February favorites. So I really don't have that many favorites for the month of February, and I really don't even have any makeup favorites either, but I do have a lot of lifestyle favorites that I want to share with you guys. So my first favorite is actually an artist on Instagram, and they go by 𝐒𝐤𝐿oops. I'm going to be leaving a link to their account down below so you guys can check them out, but I have absolutely fallen in love with their artwork. It is just so breathtakingly beautiful, and the way that they portray people and animals, and especially the nature around them, is just absolutely stunning and has quickly become one of my favorite artists. I actually plan to recreate one of them in makeup form on myself soon, which I'm so excited about because it is just a piece of artwork that definitely stands out to me and is gonna push me out of my comfort zone a little bit, especially in the photography sense, so I'm really excited to give that a try. So my next favorite is a book, and this is The Wicked King by Holly Black. This is a sequel to The Cruel Prince, which came out last year, and I fell in love with this book. This definitely has a lot of story building to help build up the third book that should be coming out sometime next year, which I'm so excited for because this is one of my favorite book series of all time. It has to do with fairies and fae, and so if you like those kinds of books, if you are interested in fiction or young adult fiction, I highly recommend The Wicked King. So my third favorite is actually a video game, and it is Kingdom Hearts 3. As most of you know, I am low-key obsessed with Kingdom Hearts. I grew up playing it, and I actually did 3 makeup tutorials inspired by the video game on my channel recently, so I'll have those linked down below for you guys to check out because it is just such an amazing storyline. I'd actually finished filming my Master Xehanort makeup tutorial when I went downstairs to go play Kingdom Hearts 3 with my older brother. It definitely kind of felt like we were going back in time a little bit because that's something we did when we were incredibly young, so to be able to do that again at this age definitely just meant a lot to me. Going along with that, I actually have this Kingdom Hearts 3 hoodie, which I got from Hot Topic, I want to say like last September or something, in preparation for Kingdom Hearts 3, and you could catch me wearing this almost every single day for the month of February. I absolutely fell in love with it. It is incredibly comfortable, super cozy, and just really nice because it is nice Kingdom Hearts merch, and we like that. I also have another sweater, and this is a Yale University sweater. I was wearing this so much throughout the month as well, and this is actually from a Disney account, and this is the Lost Bros on Instagram. I love their clothing so much. It is so cute and so comfortable. So when I saw this sweater, I knew I had to have it because not only is it a fun play on Yale University, but it also has these 2 little R's right there, which stand for Rescue Rangers. And if you grew up watching Rescue Rangers, you know how good it was. It was an amazing Disney TV show starring Chip and Dale. And so this was just a nice throwback sweater for me, and I absolutely love it because you don't really know it's Disney unless you know a lot about Chip and Dale and you kind of catch on with it, so I just really love it. And my last favorite for the month of February is actually quickly becoming one of my all-time favorites. It is so freaking amazing and you wouldn't expect it when you think about it, and this is Death Note the musical. I have been listening to this musical non-stop lately, which for me to do that with a musical, it usually will last about a month or so before I kind of switch it up a bit. I have been listening to Death Note for the past 3 months and I am still obsessed with it. As most of you know, Death Note is an anime.
I'll take a potato chip and eat it.
So to make an anime into a musical is quite interesting, but I was thinking the exact same thing, but I swear to God, if you listen to the soundtrack, you are guaranteed to fall in love with it. Because not only does it sound amazing and the lyrics are absolutely perfect and fantastic for a musical, but it also has plenty of famous musical singers that they used for this concept musical soundtrack. Just to give you an idea, it literally has Jeremy Jordan as Light, so if that's not enough to convince you, I don't know what else I can do for you. I recommend every single song in the soundtrack, but the ones that I would recommend you listen to first, since you don't really need to listen to it in order to understand what's going on, is Where's the Justice?, Hurricane, The Game Begins, There Are Lines, Mortals and Fools, which is probably the best female duet I've ever heard in my entire life, Stalemate, Playing His Game, and The Way It Ends. But The Way It Ends is like one of the last songs in the entire musical, so you might want to listen to that last. But those are just the ones I highly recommend because they're so beautiful, and especially the actor who plays L. There's something about his voice that literally is the perfect representation of L in musical form that I would have never seen coming, but I'm absolutely obsessed with. And that is it for my February February favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. I do have plenty of intense special effects and creative makeup looks coming up, so definitely make sure you subscribe so you can see those, because I swear I probably haven't been this excited for special effects makeup looks ever. I'm always super pumped whenever I get to do more creative makeup, but the looks I have planned for you guys this month, I think are going to shock you. So anyways, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!